Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we're going to install two light bars. This is a McLaren 2023. This is actually the McLaren GT, a little rare.
0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds.
Pretty sick. But we're gonna take just two of these light bars here. This is actually Bluetooth. I'm gonna show you, we already installed it here. Okay, right here is where we put the bars, on that side and on that side there. And the app is right here. Okay, what we want to do is connect. Then this top bar here, we're going to click that. And then on the bottom here, we're going to hit next. And then on top here it says on and off, so we're going to turn those on. Those are on there. And then you'll see here you could actually scroll to change the lights, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and shut the roof here and check out. It'll probably look a little better at night, but you'll be able to see inside. It's gonna look really sharp at night. Yeah, this is a fun kit. So this is all off of Amazon. I highly recommend this one.
This is the OPT7 Underglow LED bar with door assist.
Check that out. We got a lot more to do on this car, but this is a pretty sick car.